we will solve practice 2.2. In that, question number 1. See here, find whether 31 is a factor of 3596. Okay. Just now I said how to find out factor by, now here they asked whether 31 is factor of this number or not. Then what we have to do? We have to divide the given number by 31. Okay. If we could completely divide this number, means if remainder is 0, then we can say yes, 31 is a factor of this number. See, I will show you. So 3596, I will write here, divided by 31. Okay. Now first two digits take, divided by 31. 31 ones are 31. Okay. Now 5 minus 1, 4, 0. Take 9 down. Again, in 31's table, 31 twos are how much? 62. But here 49 we want. So again 31 ones are 39. 31 we have to take. Now 9 minus 1, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. And take this 6 down. Okay. Now see, if you will multiply 31 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. Do we get 186? Yes. So 31 6 are 186. What is the remainder? See? 0. That means we could completely divide this number by 31. Therefore, final answer how to write? 31 is a factor of 3596. Followed how to find out the factors. So this number is given and they ask find out whether 31 is a factor of this number or not. Then easy, very easy. What we have to do? We have to actually divide this number by this. If the remainder is 0, then yes, this number is factor of the given number. Followed. Question number 2 is, which of these numbers is a factor of 91? Means we have to find out whether 3 is a factor of 91 or not. 7, 11, 13, 96, 97. Out of which is the factor of 91? Just now we saw. Again, what we have to do? We have to divide 91 by each of these numbers. Okay. See here. So first we will divide 91 by 3. 3 threes are 9. Now take 1 down. Can we divide? So again 3 zeros are 0. That is remainder is 1. So 3 is not a factor of 91. Now next is 7. Now see, 7 ones are 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. And 1 take down. It became 21. 7 threes are 21. See, remainder is 0. That means 7 is a factor of 91. Next, 11. In 11's table, 11 8s are 88 and 11 9s are 99. So which number we have to take? 11 8s are 88. Okay. Subtract. This we will borrow 1 from here. Here 8 will be. Now 11 minus 8. How much? 3. And 8 minus 8 0. Now see, remainder is 3. So can we say 11 as a factor of 91? No. 11 is not a factor of 91. Next is 13. Now in 13's table 91 it comes. 13 7s are 91. So 13 is a factor of 91. Next is, by looking at the number only you can say 97. Could it be the factor of 91? By only observing we can say no, 97 cannot be a factor of 91. Why? Because 97 is greater than 91. Correct? Factors means what? how to identify also if the number is smaller, we want that number. See here 3, which are factors? 3, no sorry, 7, 13, they are smaller than 91, and 97, see, it is bigger. Could it be the factor of 91 then? No. Only by observing only we can say no, as it is greater than 91, it could not be a factor of 91, because can we divide 91 by 97? No. Again see here 97 and here 91. Can we divide smaller number by bigger one? No. So 97 is not a factor of 91. Therefore, what is the answer? Which of these numbers? 7 and 13 are factors of 91 from the given numbers. Okay? Correct? Now next question is question number 3. Find 6 multiples of following numbers. Okay? We have to find out multiples. Means what we have to do? You have to multiply these numbers by the natural numbers. Any natural number you can multiply. Means you can multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this, by any number you can multiply. And whatever answer will be there, that will be the multiples. See here, multiples of, or directly you can write the table of 13. Okay, any 6 that they said, no? So up to 6th place you have to write a table of 13. But it is not necessary that you should multiply by 1 to 6 only. You can multiply it by 10. You can multiply it by 11 also. You can multiply it by 24, 26. By any number you can multiply. Okay, to find out the multiple. But the number by which you are multiplying, it should be a natural number. Natural number, understand, from it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Alright? So now multiples of 13. Any 6 they say. I will start from 1 only. Okay? It is not compulsory that you should take other numbers also. Whatever. So see here, 13 ones are 13. Then 13 twos are 26. Then 13 multiplied by 3, 39. Whatever easy for you, that you can do. 13 fives are 65. See, so any 6 they said, no? How to write them? Therefore, multiples of 13 are 13, 26, 39, 52, 65 and 78. Any 6 they ask. So any 6, by any 6 numbers I have multiplied. Here if they ask more, then more numbers you can multiply. Got it? Followed? Now we will see how to find out the multiples of 17. See here. Now here multiples of 17. Again what you will have to do? Multiply it by first 6 numbers. You can take any number, but for convenience, for making easy to you, I have taken first 6 numbers. I will multiply by first 6 numbers. So 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. And 17 sixes are 102. Okay. So what are the multiples of 17? Therefore, any 6 multiples of Find 6 now. So 6 multiples of 17 are 17, 34, 51, 68, 85, 102. Okay. Now next we have to find out the multiples of 19. Again same method. Nothing you will have to do. Here again you will have to multiply it by 1 to 6. That means we have to write the table. In short, we have to write the table. Okay. Multiples means. Now multiples of 19. So 19 into 1. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. Okay. Then 19 fours are 'Okay. So multiples of 19 are 6 multiples they are. So 6 multiples of 19 are 'These are the multiples of 19. In this way we have to find out the multiples of any given numbers. Okay. Now question number 4 is find 3 multiples of 11 that are between 27 and 90. Means the multiples must lie between the number 27 and 90. Now for this what I will do, first I will write the table of 11, then you will understand. See here. 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 45, 11 5s are 55, 66, 11 7s are 77, 11 8s are 88, 11 9s are 99, 11 10s are 110. And now see, what is the condition? That multiples must be between 27 and 90. Means that multiple should be greater than 27 and smaller than 90. Now greater than 27 means, see here, 33, 44, 55, 66. Correct? Up till here. Can we take 99? No. Because 99 is greater than 90. And we want the numbers, the multiples which lie between 27 and 90. See here, these numbers. Therefore, multiples of 11 that are between 27 and 90 are or is equal to, which are those? 33, 44, 55, 66, 77 and 88. Okay. Now see the last question from practice is check whether 556 is a multiple of 4 or not. Means we have to find out whether this number is multiple of 4 or not. What we have to do? Simple. We have to do division again. We have to divide 556 by 4. If the remainder is 0, then yes, it is multiple. If it is not, then no, it's not. See here, I will show you. See, 556 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 1. Take this 5 down. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2, 3. And take this 6 down. 4 9s are 36. See, look at the remainder. Is it 0? That means we could completely divide 556 by 4. So, therefore, 556 is a multiple of